Welcome back to FitFocus, the place where we pretend working out is fun and convince ourselves that sweating buckets is actually a good time. Today we're diving into a 15-minute HIIT workout for beginners. That's right, just 15 minutes. Because honestly, who has the time or the willpower for those hour-long grind sessions? Not me, and probably not you either, which is why you clicked this video. So let's talk about a beginner-friendly HIIT routine that you can do at home, in your living room, in your pajamas, or wherever you normally avoid responsibilities. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another workout I'll never finish, hold on, this one is different. Why? Because it's short, it's effective, and it'll make you feel like you actually accomplished something in less time than it takes to scroll through. And if you're new to this whole fitness thing, don't stress. We're keeping it simple, beginner-friendly, and just challenging enough to get your heart rate up without making you question all of your life choices. So what exactly is HIIT? That's high-intensity interval training, which is just a fancy way of saying work really hard for a short time, then rest, then repeat until you're sweaty and regretting everything. The good news is, it actually works. You burn calories, boost your metabolism, and improve your cardio health all in one go. Basically, it's like tricking your body into thinking you're training for the Olympics, when in reality, you're just trying to survive a set of jumping jacks. Here's the deal. This is a 15-minute beginner HIIT workout. You'll be working for 30 seconds, then resting for 30 seconds. That's it. Simple. If you can survive sitting through awkward small talk at family gatherings, you can handle this. We'll go through a few basic exercises: jumping jacks, squats, high knees, push-ups, mountain climbers, and everyone's favorite love-to-hate move, the plank. Don't worry, no fancy equipment required, unless you count a water bottle and maybe some willpower. All right, let's break it down. Exercise number 1 is the classic jumping jack. Yep, the same move your gym teacher forced you to do in middle school. Start by standing with your feet together and arms at your sides. Then jump out while raising your arms overhead, then jump back in. Simple, right? Do this for 30 seconds. You'll feel silly at first, but give it a few jumps and suddenly you're like, okay, maybe this actually counts as cardio. And the best part is, you're burning calories while pretending you're in a bad 80s aerobics video. Next up, squats. Because apparently fitness people really love reminding us that sitting down and standing up is now considered exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back, bend your knees, and lower down like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Then stand back up. That's it. Keep your chest up. Don't let your knees cave in. And if you start feeling the burn, congrats, you're doing it right. Pro tip. Imagine you're about to sit on the world's most uncomfortable chair and then immediately decide against it. That's basically a squat. Knees, high knees. These are basically running in place, but with extra drama. Stand tall and drive your knees up toward your chest, alternating legs quickly. Use your arms like you're sprinting from a swarm of bees. The higher the knees, the better the workout. And don't worry if your knees barely make it past your shins, that's still progress. The point is to get moving and get that heart rate up. And hey, if you look ridiculous doing it, you're doing it right. Fourth, let's throw in some push-ups. And yes, I can already hear the groans. Push-ups are the universal enemy of beginners. But hear me out. If regular push-ups feel impossible, drop to your knees and do modified push-ups. You'll still get the benefits without feeling like your arms are going to fall off. Keep your hands under your shoulders, lower your chest down, and push back up. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about not collapsing face first into the floor. That's progress. A fifth move, mountain climbers. Don't panic. This is not an actual mountain. Get into a push-up position. Then bring one knee toward your chest, switch legs, and keep alternating like you're trying to run but forgot you're stuck in a plank. You'll feel your core, your arms, your legs, all of it working together. And if you're gasping for air halfway through, congratulations, you're alive and doing HIIT correctly. And finally, the plank. Ah yes, the plank. The exercise that looks easy, but feels like torture after 10 seconds. Get into a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, rest on your forearms and hold your body straight like a board. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and try not to collapse. If you start shaking, that's normal. If you start questioning your existence, also normal. The key is to hold it for as long as you can, even if that's only 20 seconds. With practice, you'll get better, or at least you'll hate it less. Now, here's how the 15-minute workout flows. Each exercise is 30 seconds of work, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Do all 6 moves in a row, and that's 1 round. Rest for a minute, then repeat the whole circuit 2 more times. By the end, you'll have completed 15 minutes of actual exercise, which is more than most people do in a week. And the best part? You're done before your brain has time to talk you out of it. Let's be honest. The hardest part of any workout isn't the push-ups or the squats or even the plank. It's just showing up and starting. Once you push play and get through those first 30 seconds of jumping jacks, you're in it, and your future self will thank you for not bailing. And remember, this is for beginners. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to move. Fitness is not about punishment, it's about progress. Even if that progress looks like you flopping around in your living room while your dog stares at you in judgment. So why HIIT? Why not just go for a walk or scroll through Instagram and call it finger cardio? Because HIIT gives you results fast. It burns fat, boosts endurance, and strengthens muscles all in less time than your average Netflix episode. Plus, your metabolism stays elevated even after you're done, which means you're still burning calories while lying on the couch afterward. Yes, you read that right workout for 15 minutes, then binge watch guilt-free. That's the kind of fitness lifestyle we can all get behind. Here's a little extra tip for my fellow beginners. Don't skip the warm-up and cool down. Take a couple of minutes before starting to loosen up. Maybe jog in place, roll your shoulders, stretch a bit. And after the workout, stretch again. Trust me, your muscles will thank you tomorrow when you're not waddling around like a penguin. Drink some water, breathe, and let your body recover. And if you feel like you can't finish the workout the first time, don't stress. Do what you can. Take breaks if you need to, and just keep showing up. Fitness is about consistency, not perfection. Over time, those 30 seconds will feel less like torture and more like well-manageable torture. But still, you'll be stronger, fitter, and a little more confident every time you finish. So there you have it, a simple 15-minute HIIT workout for beginners. 6 moves, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 3 rounds total. It's no equipment, no excuses, just you and your determination or stubbornness, whichever gets you through. Remember, the goal is not to become a fitness model overnight. The goal is to move, sweat a little, and feel better than you did before you started. All right, FitFocus fam, that's it for today. If you actually make it through this workout, you deserve a medal, or at least a cookie. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who claims they don't have time to work out. Because hey, if you've got 15 minutes to doom scroll, you've got 15 minutes to sweat it out. Stay consistent, stay stubborn, and I'll catch you in the next one.